want to enable auto scroll in Microsoft Word, and this easy step-by-step tutorial will show you how to scroll through long documents automatically, making it easier to read, review, or present your content. First of all, to enable auto scroll, right, you need to open a Word document, which I have opened this document to show you. Open the document, and then you use a mouse pointer. It is mouse pointer, right? Over this document, and then you press the middle mouse button, the scroll wheel, once. Okay, let me show you. Okay, click the scroll wheel. Okay, click the middle. Okay, scroll wheel. You see this? You will have this thing, this cursor, and then go down. It will auto scroll by itself. When I go up, it will scroll to the top by itself. I didn't touch anything. See this cursor button? Okay, it will scroll down by itself. You adjust to, depending on, if you want it to be fast, you have to move it further away, your mouse. If you want it to be slow, you need to be closer to the center. Then it will be very slow. So you want it to be fast, move away. Move away, then it will become fast. Nearer, slow. That's how to do the auto scroll. Okay, that's how to do the auto scrolling in Windows Word document. Okay, so now it's auto scrolling all the way up. I didn't drag it at the side. Do you notice? It's auto scroll. So remember is, let me just show you again. Auto scroll. Okay, open the document, and then hover your mouse over to the document. Press the middle mouse button, scroll wheel once, and then auto scroll icon came. Okay, let me do again. This cursor mouse. Okay, press the center mouse scroll, and it will become this arrow, this two direction arrow. This is the auto scroll icon. Okay, with a circle with the arrows up here. This is the one. Then you move your mouse. I'm actually now moving my mouse. Move it down to scroll down. Move it up to scroll up. Okay, move it down to scroll down. Move it up to scroll up. The further we move, right, the faster. You see, notice? Faster, right? And then you want it slow, you just move it to the center. To stop the scroll, just click the left mouse. Okay, left mouse, and then escape, and it will stop. So that's how to have the auto scroll. And then make sure your mouse has a scroll, middle scroll wheel. Okay, most mouse already have this middle scroll wheel. Okay, and then you check your mouse software settings to ensure middle button isn't assigned to another function. Okay, by default, we didn't assign any function for the middle mouse, so it should be working unless you assign it. Okay, so some laptops touchpad do not support auto scroll with a middle click, so you need external mouse. Yeah, basically that's it. I just want to show you how to do it. Let me just run through again. Press the middle scroll wheel. Middle scroll wheel. Okay, become like that. Middle scroll wheel. Okay, middle scroll wheel, and then go down. Slow is, if you want to be slow, will be near the center. Okay. You want to be fast, move away. Fast, 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 super fast. Super fast. Slow. Fast. Okay, that's how to enable the auto scroll in Windows Microsoft Word completely for free. You don't have to pay a teleprompter. Teleprompter. Okay, teleprompter, not teleporter. Teleprompter. You don't have to pay a teleprompter software apps to do this auto scrolling. Yeah, so now you can do it for your YouTube videos. Okay, recording. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.